Here we have this 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. It comes with the M Sports Plus package. We've got the black sapphire exterior paintwork, LED headlights with the kidney front grills and the black splitter at the bottom. We've also got front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the M Sport design caliper in blue behind. We've also got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers, with the black trim around the outside. We've also got the colour-coded door handles and mirrors. Onto the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser with the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the grey stitching. We've got the ISOFIX points and the centre armrest, and we've also got the climate control for the passengers. We've got the electric windows with the door handle just there. Onto the front, you can see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with a grey stitching, both of which are heated. We've got the electric side mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock at the rear. We've also got the automatic lights with the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. It is a keyless start, so my foot is on the brake. Press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. Onto the steering wheel, you can see we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with a paddle shift behind, Bluetooth phone connectivity and volume with a paddle shift behind it also. Onto the main screen, you can see we've got the Bluetooth media with the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We've also got the nav. If you just click on apps, you can see this car has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going back, I will just show you the nav screen there. You'll be able to see we've got a nice display. Moving down, we've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides, heated rear window and the air conditioning. We've also got the automatic gearbox here with the manual functions with the dial for the screen. I'm just going to pop this car into reverse. You'll be able to see the rear reversing camera with the parking sensors on the right hand side. Popping it back into neutral, I'll just show you the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. So we've got the adaptive, the electric, hybrid and sport. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. And as you can see, I'm now at the fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We do have the multifunction steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to stick the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side. We've got the digital dash here in front of us as well, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos and also the walk around video. Now if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do also have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also has plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos. But for example, we do have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We also have plenty of other features throughout this vehicle. For example, we have the ambient lighting, it really does come to life especially at night time. We do also have the wireless phone charging, plenty of good features in this vehicle. We also have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for them hot summer days. And we have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now just put our right indicator on, start to slow down because we're about to make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park. And then now I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reversing camera appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.